Natasha here. Saturday in Korea. I hope everyone's enjoying their Saturday and you're staying healthy and clean and safe. Anyway, so today I really want to talk about why it's important to create a trading plan whenever you enter a trade and to have this plan in mind as you're inside the trade and before you enter the trade, as you're inside the trade, and as you're getting ready to close the trade. It's really all the best people that I've seen that are much more successful than me. They always talk about sticking to your plan when trading, and that mindset and that rule has always worked really well for me too. And whenever I don't do that, usually things go south pretty quick. So yesterday, on Friday, I didn't really have any plans to trade anything. I just wanted to close positions, but I know there was a lot of hype about this triple witching day, which is the day that occurs 4 times a year where all of the stocks and bonds and options expire for the quarterly period. So a lot of people were bullish on this day and thinking that at the end of the day, when everyone closed their positions and shorts covered, that SPY would turn bullish. And given the circumstances and all the fear and red that we've been seeing recently because of coronavirus, I was curious to see if this was actually a thing. So I said, you know what, this was not part of my original plan, but I said I would like to maybe do a same day expiration, which is high risk but potentially high reward trade of SPY. I think maybe it can run for this triple witching day. So here's what I did. I entered here thinking that, okay, it looks like it might actually have a chance to recover that moving average. And my plan was to sell when I got 100% return and just get in and out like that. But because I'd already not followed a plan that I'd set in place and already decided to randomly trade on Friday, I was being a little bit emotional and I wasn't sticking to my plan. So I was getting a little excited inside the trade, and this is where I was when I was thinking, all right, time to get out. I got 20 same day expiration calls at a 240 strike. And I paid, let's see, how much did I pay for these? I believe they were about $20 each. But anyway, the point is that I was up 141%. And to me, for whatever reason, I wanted to wait around and think that maybe it could recover VWAP and I could maximize even more profits. That was a mistake. Please do not make this mistake. If you have a plan, which my plan was 100%, as soon as you get to that part of the plan, you're just in and out. No emotions, no greed. Emotions and greed will absolutely destroy your account, and they will really hinder your trading and keep you from being consistent and profitable. That has honestly been my biggest downfall. Anyway, so it went up here. I was at that $1,100 something, 141% profit, but it wasn't good enough. I wanted to wait for VWAP. But it started to go down, and as you can see, it never recovered. So at the end of the day, instead of collecting my profit, what I ended up with was an expired worthless option. So my Friday in the trading world was not great, but it's just one trade, and now I'm very determined to create an even better plan, exercise patience, and make the next trade 10 times better because I know that I'm going to have a plan, I'm going to be disciplined, I'm going to follow my plan exit and entry, and then that's it. The trade is done, I collect my profits, and then I look for the next opportunity that fits my criteria. And that, folks, is how you should be doing it. So, hope that you learned from my mistake. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. Have a good weekend. Bye.